Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you the integration of Alfresco share with the Exchange server. As you know, in Alfresco we have site options where a user can go and create a new site. Now in this site we have one page called calendar where the user can create new appointments to the Alfresco. Now in this demonstration I will be going to show you how we can integrate the same thing with the Exchange server. So I have one site created over here called test site. I will go to this site. In this site, this is the dashboard page. We do have one page called calendar. Okay, so in this calendar page you can see I have May calendar over here and there are no events created. Same if I go and click on the next month, June, there are no events created. I will go to my Outlook and here you will see that there are no events created for this month. I will go back to Alfresco. I will create one event over here. Say I'm creating event on 4th June 2014, which is a Wednesday. This is the event creation module. Say this is a demo appointment. Where is the location? Meeting room number 4. This is demo event from Alfresco. The time and date we can select as per our requirement. As of now I'm not going to change anything, we'll keep it as it is, and I'll create the event. As you can see, this event is created. If I go back to the Exchange, as you can see I have the same event over here. This is a demo event from Alfresco. Now this is a two-way integration, so whatever modification that I perform through the Outlook or through the web client, like which you can access using your this type of URL. So through web client or Outlook, if I make any changes to this event, the same will be reflected back in Alfresco. So for demonstration I will modify the event body, modified from Outlook, as I'm modifying this event from Outlook. I will save this event. We will go and just check once the event is saved. Yeah, so now I will close this. I will go back to Alfresco and I will click. I have one button over here which is a refresh button. So when I click on this button, it will sync the changes from the Exchange server to the Alfresco. Now for the first time when we create a new site and we come to calendar page and we click on this sync, it will sync all the events, current, any future events which are there in your Exchange server, and the past events also. So you will have the entire your Exchange calendar in Alfresco. Now when I click on refresh, it will synchronize with the Exchange and it will bring all the changes that are made in the Exchange server, and it will copy, or you can say it will do the same things in the Alfresco. So as you can see, the body which we modified from the Outlook is reflecting back over here. The demo event is modified from the Outlook. Now if I do any modification from Alfresco, same will be modified into the Exchange or Outlook, you can say. So the demo appointment modified from Alfresco. When I click on OK, it will synchronize the same changes to the Exchange as well. As you can see, the event is modified, Alfresco event is modified. If I go back to my Outlook, open the same event, you can see the modification that we performed from Alfresco are also synchronized back here in the Outlook or in Exchange server. Now if I delete this appointment from here, so from the Exchange or from the Outlook I'm deleting this appointment. So once the event is deleted, when I go back to Alfresco and refresh the page, it should delete the same event from the Alfresco. So just let me go back to Alfresco and refresh. Okay, let me try it one more time. Sometimes it takes time because Outlook caches the events that are performed, and it takes some time to reflect back it to the Exchange server. So as you can see, when I did refresh first time, the event was not the action which we performed in Outlook was not replicated back to the Exchange server. But if you perform this operation through the web client, so like /owa URL of your Exchange server, it will immediately replicate to your Exchange server, and you come back here and you refresh, the same will be replicated in Alfresco. So this is the integration of Alfresco with the Exchange server. Now this is the integration like where we are doing only appointments, but the main feature that we will be using in our day-to-day life will be the meetings that we create in Alfresco. So as you see, this is the module that we have from the Alfresco, but when we create meetings in our Outlook, we get options like the two in which we will invite the people, or you can say required people, and in CC we mention the optional people who are required for that meeting. So if we create any event over here in Alfresco, and if we come back here and do refresh, same meeting will be available over here. You open that event, you will see the all the data which is coming of this module. So default data you will see, you will not see the people who are invited and all those people, but those details are stored in Alfresco. So we just have to do the modification of this module in order to display those metadata over here. So this is just a demo purpose to showcase like, okay, we can do integration of Alfresco with the Exchange server. So this is how we can integrate Alfresco calendar with the Exchange server, and we can do this is like a two-way communication. So whatever changes that are done in Outlook will be replicated back in Alfresco, and same from Alfresco will be replicated to Exchange server. First time when you create a site and you do just refresh, it will sync all your events from Alfresco, future events. If I have any events created here in July or in June, whatever events are there, all will be synced first time in the Alfresco. Next time onwards, it will sync only the changes which are there in the Exchange server. So this is the demonstration of Alfresco with the Exchange server. Please add your comments and let me know what you think about it. Also, I would like to have your inputs on this, which you can send me on my mail ID, which is alfsender@gmail.com. Also, please request you to give me some of your valuable suggestions or the integration that you would like to see in Alfresco, so that I can work on it, and if possible I can create a same demonstration of that integration with Alfresco and put it online. Thank you very much. Thank you for viewing this demonstration. Have a great day. Thank you.